Hello everyone, this is Rob, the professional garage guy. I've been doing mechanics approximately about 42, 43 years. And today I will be showing you how to remove catalytic converters off of a 2002 Jaguar X-type. So let's get started. First of all, you want to make sure that your car is jacked up and on stands. Always make sure that safety is number one. I started off by removing the front of the catalytic converter. I'm going to show it to you here. Actually, this is, let me see, you can see it a little bit better here. This is the new aftermarket type of the converter, which is smaller than the old one, the original one. The original one is right here. I taken off, and I'm gonna let you look at it in the inside here. As you can see in the inside here, it's all chipped up. It's all chipped up and cut up and broken into pieces. The reason I took it off is the power had low. The car had low power, and it would get up to about 20 RPM, and the speed would just stay there. It would just drop. And so I figured that my catalytic converters were clogged up, and truly enough, they were clogged up. Now, the front one was pretty much easy taken off, but the rear catalytic converters was a really big pain. So what you have to do first, what I had to do, well, first of all, let me show you the rear catalytic converter, which is actually the, if you're standing in if you're standing from this position of the car, to the left is your front bank, to the right is your right bank or your passenger side bank of your engine. And as you can see, this engine, which is a 2.5 liter, let me turn off my flashlight. Let me turn it back on so you can see it. This is a sideways engine, a 2.5 6-cylinder engine. Now, my biggest problem was reaching over and having enough room right back here to take off my catalytic converter, which is the right side of the engine, the passenger side, because as you can see, there's little tolerance here to maneuver. So what I had to do to come around here to the driver's side of the car, I had to drop my subframe rear bolts. And I'm gonna skip quite a few steps here because this is time consuming. But what I did, this bolt here screwed up to my rear frame, subframe, into the tubular frame of the car. Now, one of the problems that I had was getting this bolt out here was that when I started turning it, the nut inside the square tubular frame started turning as well. And so what I had to do to hold that nut while I could turn the bolt on the outside, I had to go in the inside of the car I'm gonna open it up, and as you see, you know, I had to fold back the carpet, the floor carpet, and the cushion, and there's an access hole right here, as you can see. I see this access hole here. I got my fingers pointing to. Now, for some reason, the manufacturer Jaguar knew that, you know, they were going to have problems taking this bolt loose from this nut. So they built at the manufacturer perforated, elongated, I guess you call it mesh or perforated channels here. So what I did was I took an angle grinder and I cut them here and I fold them back here. And I'm gonna let you look in the inside right there, and you can see that nut. See that big nut right there? That nut right there. That's the nut that's turning